Hey there, it is Stacie. I am the strategic business mom coach. I'm the one that helps spiritual business moms get leads, have fun, and make money in their business. And I just wanted to tell you that I just did a launch, and using the tools that Taylor and Misty are showing you, this is a game changer. Not only was I able to find leads, but I'm a mom and I'm a wife. And so I was off being away from the computer, playing with my little one, being outside, enjoying the fresh air, and I was getting leads. This helped not only attract them, nurture them, and convert them, but I was also able to automatically follow up with them on autopilot, freeing up my time so I can do what really matters most. So if you're doubting, telling you right now, these are the tools that you're gonna want in your next launch strategy.